And welcome back to my channel. I am Chef Christy and I share delicious recipes every single week on this channel, so please subscribe if you have not already, and if you hit that notification bell, then you'll know as soon as I upload a new video. Alright, I love a super easy and delicious meal that is made in either one pot, one skillet, or like what I'm going to do today, I have another one of my one tray meals. And I just love these because you can take a wide variety of ingredients, place them onto a baking tray, pop them into the oven, and then voila, your dinner is done. So today I'm making a pesto chicken bake. And this is so delicious, and the star of this dish is a jar of pesto. Now, I really like to keep some pesto in my pantry because it just really comes in handy. Pesto has your basil and your garlic and olive oil and salt, so it really just packs a punch of flavor to whatever you are adding it to. And it's very versatile. You can add this to pasta, just many different types of dishes. Today, I'm adding it to my chicken and the vegetables that I'm going to use for this one tray meal. All right, so let me go over these ingredients with you. Okay, so today I'm using some little baby golden potatoes, an onion and tomatoes. I have some asparagus. I'm going to be using some shredded mozzarella cheese, of course, your pesto, and I also will need just a little extra olive oil, salt and pepper, and then I have chicken breasts here that I have pounded out. Let me show you just how I did that. So you want to place your chicken in between two pieces of plastic wrap. And on the smooth side, start just hammering a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is just cut my potatoes into quarters and then place them into a bowl. Okay, so I'm just going to drizzle just a little olive oil over my potatoes. I am going to go ahead and add some salt and some black pepper. Then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of that pesto. And I'm just going to mix all this together. Just to make sure that your potatoes get nice and coated. Okay, I am going to just take some nonstick spray and spray my pan. And I have lined my pan with aluminum foil. That just makes a super easy cleanup. Then I'm going to take my potatoes and I'm just going to pour them onto this pan. Okay, so next I'm just going to place my chicken on my baking tray. Okay, so next I'm going to add about a tablespoon of this pesto to each chicken breast. This one looks like it needs a little bit more. Then I'm going to take another clean spoon and just spread this pesto all over the chicken. Then I'm going to sprinkle with some mozzarella cheese. And then I'm just going to take a Roma tomato. I'm going to make slices. And I'm going to place these slices on top of each piece of chicken. Then I'm just going to sprinkle some salt over top of my tomatoes. And a little bit of black pepper. So next I'm going to add my asparagus. And just a little tip, if you keep your asparagus in a cup of water, that just helps it to stay fresh a little bit longer. Okay, in case you didn't know, the end part of the asparagus is kind of fibrous. So to get rid of that, I just bend the asparagus, and where it snaps, that's where I know it is good. So I will discard the bottom half of my asparagus. But if I want to speed up that process and I don't want to snap every single one of my asparagus, I will just take a knife and I kind of just guess from where it's been snapping, and I just cut off the bottom half of the stalk. Okay, so now I'm just going to line my asparagus up here beside my chicken. And again, I'm going to add a little bit of this pesto right on top. I'm going to add a little additional salt and pepper. And I'm just going to kind of take this in my hands and just kind of mix this pesto in with this asparagus. Okay, and then I'm going to cut up my onion. And I'm only going to be using a half of an onion. And I'm going to make a large dice. I'm going to place it back into this bowl that I have my potatoes in. Add just a little bit of pesto, a little additional oil, some salt, and pepper. And then I'm just going to mix these onions together. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my onions and just pour them onto this tray here. Oh my goodness, this already looks beautiful. And now I'm going to bake this in a 400-degree oven for about 40 minutes until the potatoes are tender, the chicken is done. But just look at this. Can you all see it? It is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Just look at it. And the smell in this kitchen is phenomenal. Okay, so I'm getting ready to plate this up, but I did want to tell you that you can use whatever vegetables you want. If you wanted to have a lower carb, you could add broccoli and cauliflower, zucchini and squash. I mean, just whatever you like. But let me just show you what this looks like. Okay, of course, I have got to put some freshly grated Parmesan cheese all over top. Oh my. I want to get a nice big bite of this chicken. Oh, yum. That is delicious. I really hope that you give this a try. I just love these one-pan meals. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon with more recipes.